one of the hottest trends on YouTube. It's the driving factor between these extraordinary ladies and the Yao women of China. Top 5 shocking foods to grow hair fast in 2020. Hair grows in 3 stages: the anagen stage, the catagen stage, and the telogen stage. Number 5 on our countdown, lemons. They promote longer, stronger hair, cleans the scalp, and unclogs hair follicles. Rich in vitamin C and boosts collagen production. Tighten hair follicles, curbing hair fall. Number 4, ginger. Ginger stimulates hair follicles, promoting longer, stronger hair and new hair growth. Increases circulation. Fatty acids thicken thin hair. The antiseptic properties help get rid of dandruff. Ginger also provides magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Number 3, garlic. Garlic promotes hair growth. Garlic is rich in vitamin C. The vitamin C promotes the health of hair. The antimicrobial properties kill germs and bacteria. Boosts collagen production. The selenium within garlic boosts blood circulation, purifies, strengthens, and prevents clogging, calms aggravated scalp, and a great treatment for dandruff. It also provides zinc, calcium, and sulfur. Number 2, onions. Onion juice is a known remedy for hair loss, promotes hair growth, makes hair thicker and stronger, provides sulfur. The sulfur found within amino acids are components of protein. This sulfur-rich protein keratin are essential for growing stronger hair. Sulfur promotes collagen production, crucial for hair, skin, and nails. The benefits of onion juice: treats alopecia and baldness, inflamed itchy scalp, scalp infections, dandruff, thinning hair, dry or brittle hair, prematurely graying hair, boosts circulation, increase blood supply to hair follicles. Also provides vitamins A, E, and C, folic acid, and biotin. One of the hottest trends on YouTube is the driving factor between these extraordinary ladies and the Yao women of China. Which brings us to our number 1 spot, rice. Let's talk rice. Rice contains 75 to 80% starch. Rice water is the starchy water that remains after soaking or cooking rice. Fermented rice water has to process over a 24-hour period. Fermented substances have a higher amount of antioxidants. These antioxidants tackle hair and skin cell damage. Also provides minerals, folic acid, and thiamine, selenium, amino acids, B vitamins, niacin, magnesium, and vitamin E. The origins of rice water. Researchers discovered women in Japan grew floor-length hair during 794 to 1185 CE by bathing their hair in rice water. Fast forward to modern times, we find the equivalent in China with the Yao women, growing their hair to lengths of 6 feet and never graying until they reach their 80s, with rice water. The benefits: a detangler, makes hair smoother, increases the shine, makes hair stronger, and helps hair grow longer. Subscribe for more health and beauty compilations. Like this video, comment below, and share.